hospital and I'm going to get a PCR test because I'm going to Texas after 2 weeks.
2 days.
2 days because there's coronavirus. And you shouldn't touch anything.
And if you touch anything, what do you do?
You put on sanitize.
Sanitize?
Sanitize.
Okay. You tell them how to use the sanitizer.
Like this.
That's it.
And then close it with a cover. And then give it back to your mom and
Are you scared? Are you sure? What are you gonna do? When you get the PCR test?
They're going, something handle will tickle you. I'm not going to sneeze.
Are you sure?
Mm.
Are you scared? Are you sure?
No,
Why?
I'm just here with Bunny. If it will make you brave, bring your toy or your favorite blankie. Make sure you observe social distancing. Keep your mask over your mouth, nose, and chin. Hi, buddy. I just did the PCR test. It didn't tickle.
It didn't tickle. What did it do? It was a little bit uncomfortable.
Not at all.
Not at all. Are you sure?
And Mama don't like it.
Mama doesn't like it. 100%.
Don't be afraid of doing the PCR test. Stay safe.